This award-winning author and business strategist has a background in corporate sales leadership. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Meridith Elliott Powell.
What I am passionate about is helping you understand, whether you're a leader or frontline personnel, how to make this economy start working for you.
She has a cutting-edge message rooted in real-life examples and real-world knowledge.
If you learn to lead through the power of the question, people feel like they matter. But most importantly, they feel responsibility to make it work.
Man, I learned so much from Meridith today. She was amazing. Love what she had to say about sales. Love the way she connects with people, the clients, and bringing that together.
I love speaking at a conference where I get the opportunity to really get in, to really know the company or the association, so I can integrate their challenges, their problems, their hopes for their attendees, and I can deliver a keynote that really rocks the stage, but most importantly, make sure that they walk out the door with some incredible return on investment.
I thought her energy was fantastic. I loved when she divided the room up, and it gave us a good insight into the different types of customers that we're dealing with.
Follow up, follow up, follow up. What do you think the chances are that your customers got up this morning, looked in the mirror, and got down on one knee and said, please God, please let an outside sales professional from Fast Signs call on me today? What do you think the chances of that are? 0, absolutely. You close business because if you follow up. So get your follow-up strategy and really work that piece of this process, and I promise you, you are going to close more sales.
It was an amazing workshop. Just hearing her past experiences and her track record to know that she's walked the walk and now she's talking the talk.
You have to sell risk and value. And you not only need to sell it to your prospects, you need to be selling it to your existing customers who are paying you right now. Because someday a competitor is going to show up and offer it to them cheaper, and they need to know why they're paying you.
Her latest book is called Redefining Responsibility, Stories of Power, Freedom, and Purpose.
You have to embrace the fact that the marketplace has changed. Because if you do, you're going to open more doors, you're going to close more sales, and you are going to leave your competition in the dust. I'm Meridith Elliott Powell. Thank you for your time today, and I look forward to staying in touch.